Meaning of 80th.
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 80th. 80th refers to the ordinal number that represents the number 80 in a series or sequence. It is derived from the cardinal number 80 by adding the suffix th. For example, if a person is celebrating their 80th birthday, it means they have lived for 80 years, and this is a significant milestone. In terms of fractions or percentages, 80th represents 1 part out of 80 equal parts, which is equivalent to 1.25%. It is commonly used in mathematical and statistical contexts, as well as in everyday language to represent a specific position or quantity in a sequence.